Hello, this is Amy here with another product reveal for Whimsy stamps. This is Doggie Friends Valentine, and it is a 4x6 stamp set with 8 really super fun sentiments that go with each of the 3 doggy images. These sentiments have different fonts and stamp really nice. And here I am pairing them with each of the 3 doggy images. And I've cut them out, and I like to keep these in a little tray near me, so as I'm creating cards, all I have to do is just grab a sentiment and I am good to go. And the doggy images pair perfectly with these little cute sentiments. Here are 2 projects that I made. One of them pairs with a couple of the other products from this release, and here's a second one that uses the My Funny Valentine. Thank you so much for joining me today with this product reveal of Doggie Friends Valentine. I'd love to know if this is going to be a staple in your craft stash, and please like and subscribe. Have a crafty day.